Hey, what's up guys? This is Mil Washington Tech 999 here, and today I have a special surprise for you guys. I'm going to be going from this camera to this. First things first, we got to get this box open. So the first thing you see in this box is unrelated to this video. This will be in a future video. These are acoustic foam panels that will be going up on the wall. Here's what I am going to be using for this video. This microphone and this light. So here's the contents of each box. Even got some Boya stickers. This is the Boya shotgun mic. And this, I don't remember the brand, but this is a mini recording light, portable setup. So the only real bad news about this light is that it does not come pre-charged out of the box. It does come with a USB Type-C connection, and it allows you to change the brightness level as well as the color temperature. It has a range of 2500 to 6500 kelvins. I'm going to put this guy on the charger real fast, let it sit for probably about an hour, and then give you guys the brand new look. First look at the Booyah mic. So far, impressive build quality. Doesn't feel like cheap plastic. This is a passive mic, so it doesn't have any battery inside of it. It doesn't have any control over high pass or low pass filter. That's kind of a bummer, but it's nothing terrible. Inside the package is the shock mount. We have two separate 3.5 millimeter cables. So one of them is a TRS to TRRS, and then the other one is a TRRS to TRRS. I hope I got that right. Also in the package is a little carrying case for the mic. Good touch. You don't see this too often. I would like to say big props to Booyah for including images of where to plug in each cable. So that's the camera side for this cable, and then this is, you can hardly see it, the microphone side. Yes, and it shows a picture of a microphone. So it tells you that the dual TRS cable will go into the mic, and then the single TRS cable will go into the camera. First test of the mic from the back, and then first test from the front. Sounds good, doesn't it? So just a quick little update on the light for you guys. I am an amateur when it comes to this, so you can see it shows the level of charge on the back. I thought that this button was just to check the charge level. Nope, that's how you actually turn the light on. And there's an impressive power output on this. And you can turn it down to that level and then turn it back up to this level. So it gives you quite a bit of adjustment. It actually doesn't change the brightness a lot, but it's noticeable. And here's a look at the color temp. You can see it's cool white all the way to warm white. I'm going to keep it at a neutral white for now, just because that's the way I like it. This is going to be a game changer. This and the mic both. I'm stoked. I can't wait. As you guys can see, the difference on this is nothing short of extraordinary. Now my face is properly lit. You guys can hear me nice and crisp. Background noise is very minimal. This is the upgrade this channel needed and deserved. And it's all thanks to you guys.